What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I've got a little bit of an unboxing video for you all. I've got my hands on the brand new Zino Davidoff tobacco leaf acrylic humidor. Now if you've seen the pictures of this on our website, you know it's a simply stunning design. It looks phenomenal. I'm really excited to actually get my hands on this finally. We've had them online for a while and I've been desperate to actually hold one because I'm thinking about upgrading my humidor at home, and I think this could be the one for me. All in this lovely white box here, but let's stop talking, let's get the box opened, let's see what it's got inside. I'll see you in a few. So guys, here is the humidor in all of its glory. It's got a simply stunning tobacco leaf design etched on the top there. Almost gives a real depth to it. It's visually, it's double layered. It kind of gives you that real nice eye-catching design. You're not going to be able to walk past this humidor without it catching your eye out the corner and you going, oh wow, what is that, if you don't know what it is. So people who come around to your house and always want to raid your cigars, this is probably going to be the first one that they come to. It's got 365 degrees of visual, so you'll be able to see every single cigar that is in your humidor. It's got a beautiful machined metal hinge on the side, and in terms of the contents, you've got a small droplet for your humidity solution, you've got your humidifier, and you've also got an acrylic separator, so you can decide where you want to put your humidifier, on the left or on the right, and keep it completely separate from your cigars so you don't run the risk of getting damp cigars or anything. That being said, I would tend to go for a Boveda pouch, especially in something like this. The Boveda pouch is going to give you minimal maintenance and maximum efficiency in terms of your humidity control. Place it onto the one side, you'll have all your cigars in there, and if you really want to go the extra mile, pick up a Boveda Smart Butler. That's an incredible electronical device that links to a Bluetooth app on your phone. It will give you up-to-date indications of whether your humidity is too high, whether it's too low, whether it's just right. When your Bovedas is starting to get to the point where you probably need to order some more, all of that information is available on the app at the touch of a button. Simply stunning. This humidor is potentially coming home with me, but we do have more available online. I'm going to just hold this up to the camera just so you guys can just see if you can quite catch it. I'm going to make sure that I stick some pictures online as well. That really intricate leaf design on there, simply stunning. What else to expect from Davidoff and from Zino Davidoff? Their line of accessories is up there with their cigars. Simply beautiful. If you want to pick this up for yourself, head over to the website right now. It's Cigars.com, that's Cigars.com. And if you've liked these unboxing videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.